Hi everyone at 10th Dadasaheb Phalke Award 2020. I'm here to talk about my film Open Doors. So, initially, this film really started off as a college project, and we have been divided into different groups. We have been told to make a documentary, and we had to choose our own topic. So, on the first day, all my group members we all decided that we'll go to different spaces individually and see if we find something inspiring to make a film on. And we all ended up at this one place called Ambedkar Nagar. And I think the first time I thought that this is the space I want to make my film was because of the positivity I got from the people, from the space, the positive vibes, their opinions, their this entire thing, this entire attitude of that, please don't pity us. That was all which was coming from them. And I was like, wow, that's something really very interesting. And I would really, uh, go forward and do something and just, speak to these people and see what can I get. So we started interviewing all these people, and I think we interviewed a number of people, and we all had our own questions for our own films. So, what I really wanted to know from these people, and my questions were based on their personal lives and questions about life and about happiness, and at the same time, I had questions about education and their life and their struggles also, because I wanted a mix of both. Uh, so, what eventually happened to this entire film, Open Doors, was that I ended up editing and having around 3 to 4 people talk about their experiences and about their opinions and all. Uh, though we had a lot of other people we had interviewed as well, but for me, it was really very interesting to keep these 3 or 4 people because these people had contradictions. These people had contradictions on one particular, topic, for that matter, happiness. One of them says that you need money if you want to be really very happy in your life, which was coming from a person who was around 22-year old. And then at the same time, the other side, there was this lady who was a maid, who worked as a maid, whose income was 8,000 per month. And she said that, you know what, money brings a lot of problems in people's life. So less you have, the happier you are. And I was like, wow. So I would say indeed it was a pleasure working on this film and talking to these people, and literally not only making film out of it, but at the same time growing as a human being. Um, it was a great experience altogether. And I wouldn't talk more about whatever is happening in the film, because I think my film will speak for it. And I would really request all of you to go and have a look at the film and see what you feel, because I feel it's a really very powerful film. It has opinions. It has. And yeah, I guess I would really say that whatever happens at the end, I feel in inside I'm really very happy about the film I made, and I'm really very proud of. But at the same time, I would really like to know everyone's opinion on it and what you feel about the film. And because there was a feeling I was trying to convey through my film, and I hope it reached all of you.